Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Sienna LE. This is an 8-passenger 4-door minivan in Celestial Silver. Under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your automatic power sliding doors, roof rails, and a backup camera. But now why don't we hop inside this Sienna and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our power sliding door buttons for the left side and right. We're going to take a look in the front first. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. In the bottom of the door you have some storage space that runs along the entire side. On top you find your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you do have a nice little storage compartment, equipped with light gray cloth seating. On the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. So we're going to start this Sienna up. First things first is the left side of the steering wheel, and this cluster right here will just allow you to navigate through your entertainment screen located in the center. You also have your volume options, hands-free calling, and voice recognition system. On the right you have this cluster, and this will allow you to navigate through your multi-information display located up top. Below it are your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and behind the wheel you do have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on home. It's got a split screen. On the right we got any audio that might be playing, and then on the left you have any device that might be connected. This Sienna does have a backup camera as well, providing guidelines. Moving below that is our climate control system. It is a tri-zone climate control system, so the temperatures can be adjusted for the driver, for the passenger, and those rear passengers in the back. Below that you have your driver and passenger heated seats. Here is where you'll find your 12-volt outlet and your USB and auxiliary. If we press that, 2 cup holders come out. Pop those back in. Got some nice storage compartments in here and this huge space on the bottom. 2 cup holders. Center console, let's push that button right up. Plenty of space. And lastly is the passenger side. Up top we have a storage compartment in here, and down below is your glove box. Plenty of space. Does feature your owner's manual. Let's close that up. Last thing to show you is if we look up top, you can open the passenger sliding doors for the left and right. Before we open up the cargo, we're going to take a quick look in the back, and by doing so we're going to hold this left button for that left power sliding door to open for us. Nice and easy. Taking a look inside, we're continuing with the light gray cloth seating. Behind the passenger and driver's seat you will find these pockets for some extra storage space. Down below, the rear passengers do have their own little cup holders. And lastly, these seats do fold down. All you got to do is press this up, and that'll give you access to your third row seating. To open up, all we got to do is just press this button right underneath, and that lift gate will open for us nice and easy. Of course, we have the third row seating up like we showed. We have some nice storage space along the bottom, and it does tuck in on the left. Of course, these seats do go down. All you got to do is pull on these, and the top half will fold in. And all we got to do is pull these handles up, and then you pull towards yourself and they go in like so. You can see there's already a lot more cargo space in this Sienna, and of course the second row seating does move forward and fold down, and that'll give you some extra bit of space. If we look inside here, we do have some storage compartments and 2 cup holders for when those third row passenger seatings are in. To close up, it's as simple as grabbing this nice little handle up top and giving it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna LE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 8-passenger capacity seating, tri-zone climate control system, hands-free calling, and Bluetooth compatibility. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.